The science of climate change, 10 key facts about the causes and impacts of global warming. 1. Greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, have intensified this effect by increasing the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. 2. Greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, nitrous oxide, N2O, and fluorinated gases are the primary greenhouse gases responsible for trapping heat in the atmosphere. The burning of fossil fuels is the main source of CO2 emissions, while agriculture and land use changes contribute to CH4 and N2O emissions. 3. Rising temperatures. Global temperatures have been steadily increasing over the past century, with the last few decades experiencing the most significant warming trends. This trend is primarily driven by human-induced greenhouse gas emissions. 4. Melting ice. The warming climate has led to the melting of ice caps, glaciers, and polar ice sheets. This ice melt contributes to rising sea levels, which pose a threat to coastal communities and ecosystems. 5. Ocean acidification. The absorption of excess CO2 by the oceans leads to a process called ocean acidification. This process reduces the pH of seawater, posing a threat to marine life, particularly organisms such as corals and shellfish that rely on calcium carbonate for their shells and skeletons. 6. Extreme weather events. Global warming is associated with an increase in the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, including heat waves, droughts, hurricanes, and heavy rainfall events. These events can have severe impacts on human health, agriculture, and infrastructure. 7. Ecosystem disruptions. Climate change disrupts ecosystems by altering temperature and precipitation patterns, as well as species habitats. This can lead to changes in the distribution and abundance of plant and animal species, affecting biodiversity and ecosystem services. 8. Rising sea levels. As global temperatures rise, the melting of land-based ice and the expansion of seawater due to thermal expansion contribute to rising sea levels. Rising sea levels threaten low-lying coastal areas, leading to increased flooding, erosion, and saltwater intrusion into freshwater sources. 9. Health impacts. Climate change has implications for human health, including increased heat-related illnesses, spread of vector-borne diseases, reduced air quality, and food and waterborne diseases. Vulnerable populations, such as the elderly and the poor, are particularly at risk. 10. Mitigation and adaptation. Mitigation refers to efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and stabilize the climate system. Adaptation involves adjusting societal and natural systems to cope with the current and projected impacts of climate change. Both strategies are crucial in addressing global warming. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more daily content.